Do you want more help, or do you want to keep moving? Okay, stranger. Now, you pay attention to help. This is very important. Very, very, very important. You don't listen, you'll be a dead stranger. Remember, the mouse is your hands, the keyboard is your feet. When the hand cursor appears, there is something to click on. You can talk to people too. Click on them with your mouse. Listen to what people say. Listen carefully. When you ask them questions, think before you click. The first question you see is not always the best one. Remember to listen. People in this town talk a lot. They tell secrets. They tell advice. Sometimes they tell lies. Remember, listen to what people say. Listen carefully. You can give them things from your inventory. Now, take this old ring. It's a gift. Now go. The wife is going to be plenty angry at her to find me up this late. Good night.